Hi nail lovers, welcome back to I Love Nails, and today I am showing you a press-on nail tutorial. Let's get started. So I am going to show you the materials needed to do press-on nails. This is how I do my press-on nails. Pretty much I start with, I'm going to show you exactly what I have. These are magnetic stands for the press-on nails. So you're going to need these. You can buy these on Amazon. Okay? They come in 4-pack. So you need this. Of course you need tips. I use Zule tips. These are the square ones. She has many sizes. I love her style of press-on tips, so I go there. I got those. And then we're gonna use putty. This is pink, but you can buy this on Amazon, and this is what we just typically pull out. It's like gum, but it doesn't stick to your hand, and you just apply a little bit onto the magnet like that, and then you pretty much, like I did here, I just put on my press-on nail, and that's how I put all 5 of them. Like pretty much these are done like this. So that's how that is. And I'm gonna show you how to box them. These are jewelry boxes that you buy also on Amazon. I think these are, what size are these? 8 by 2 by 1 inches. And they're called jewelry boxes, luxury jewelry boxes, and they come with the cotton. And what I do, right? I use double adhesive tape. I also buy this on Amazon. And I cut a piece. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do. So let me just cut a piece. Let me get the scissors from here. Hopefully this will cut. Okay. I take the self-adhesive and I cut. I measure more or less, but I don't want a big piece. This scissor is not gonna cut this because I don't want to find my other scissor. But anyway, I put my tape here like this. But I don't go all the way towards the end because it's too long. And then here, like that, press it down, right? You're gonna press it down. Of course, you're gonna cut this side. You're gonna pull the other side of the tape, which is double-sided. And then you're gonna pretty much, I'm gonna show you the ending results. You're gonna pretty much stick them on like this. So this is a complete set. This is finished. You see how I put my press on? That's how they stick onto that, like that. Bam. And then the cotton to protect it. And then the logo. This logo I got on Zazzle. So make sure that you represent. And I put my logo in. You buy them from Zazzle, and then you just stick them on. Normally I would get a smaller one, but this one I ordered too big. But I'm gonna use them anyway. So I attach that, and this is already done. So that's a done set. But yeah, pretty much that's it. But I wanted also to show you, I got a surprise for you in terms of glue. Typically, to glue press-ons, they use this, which is on a regular tip that you use for acrylic. You can use this glue. You can find it in Amazon. Or you use the adhesive, self-adhesive, which is the tabs. You could also find this on Amazon. And it's double-sided, so you put it on your nail bed like this. Let me show you. These are 2 sets. You only need 1. And then what you do is you take one, you pull it out, you put it on your nail bed, right? It's like a double-sided tape as well. And then you take off the backing, and then let's just say, for argument's sake, let me take the putty off my nail. And then this is how your tip will stay. It stays. It's pretty good. But me, because I'm rough, I don't use none of this. It depends on your liking, whatever makes you happy. But I don't use none of these. I use my special glue. and this is only for the viewers that are watching me today, I use Fast Bond. Fast Bond is the it glue. This glue, I stick my press-ons. There's no coming off. I'm gonna stay with my nails until either I want to take them off or soak them off, and or pretty much I'm done with them. I'm tired of them, so I cut and get rid of soap, and that's it. I'm done. But I normally, when I use my press-ons, this is the glue you need to purchase. This glue right here. Not everybody knows that. That's why you're watching I Know Nails. So with that being said, let me also let you know that I wanted to also touch base with you and show you how to measure, to know what, you know, your thumb, your index, your middle finger, your ring finger, and pinky size is. Normally, well, not normally, average, all the time, your nails, your thumb is the size, which is even when you're putting acrylic, you should know this, nail techs, is 0, 1, and 2. When you put in your index, this is your numbers, 3, 4, and 5. When you put in your ring, is 3, 4, and 5. When you put in your middle finger, is 2, 3, and 4. And lastly, when you put in pinkies, is 7, 8, and 9. Those numbers are the same thing when you're putting on press-on nails. So if you got those numbers in your head, embedded in your head, then you should be quickly applying your nail tips or your press-ons. So pretty much that was that. But let me show you how, jumping back to how we measure our nail tips, nail beds for our press-on nails. So what I do, I find in the 99-cent store, they have these, you know, crappy emergency kits. So, you know, you get that, but what I wanted from there was this measuring tape, right? Because it's flimsy and it does the job. So I take this measuring tape and then I get some clear adhesive tape, right? From a regular store. You don't have to buy this on Amazon. You can shop in a regular store and buy your clear tape. And what I'm going to do to measure all my nails, this is what you have to do to measure each and every nail, because they're all different size. It's only the index and the ring probably is the same size. So I'm going to measure my middle finger. So I'm going to put the tape like this. And then I'm going to grab a pen, which I know I have my pen somewhere around here. Or did I put it away? Typically. Did I put my pen away? I sure did. Let me get my pen. All right, no, it fell. I had it. It's under the table. So you're gonna measure from this side of your nail bed, which is the widest part of your nail bed, right, to the other side of your widest part of your nail bed. See what I'm doing? Right? You got those marked. Once you do that, you're gonna take off this tape, right? And you're gonna put it on something flat. Let's choose this here. We're gonna put it on something flat that you could see, right? And see, I had this marked here and this marked here. So I'm gonna measure that by millimeters. That's how we're gonna measure that. And we're gonna use this tape, measuring tape, and we're gonna measure by millimeters. And we're gonna start at the very end of this tape, exactly where my lines are, and we're going to count millimeters. Each line, little line, is a millimeter, and the big one. So each line, every line is a millimeter. So I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 14 millimeters, right? So that was my middle finger, right? So my middle finger, when you go onto the list, my middle finger is a 3. And that's true. So that's how you measure on your natural nail bed. You count each line. One line on the measuring tape is considered 1 millimeter. So that's how you get the sizes of each. You have to do it to each and every one of your fingernails. And that's how you measure, and you have your press-on nail sizes. So even when you go and get your acrylic tips done. So I wanted to show you that. Next time I want to do another tutorial And the next tutorial I want to do is pretty much show you how I ship my press-on nails once they're ordered. So stay tuned, because the next episode, or should I say the next tutorial, is on how we do shipping on press-on nails from I Love. So until the next time, peace.